Regardless is the detour sign here, which triggers that the blank will be filled with something hesitance or reluctance regarding not being reticence in the line before the semicolon. Choice A denotes anybody energetic, which does not match any sense for the blank with the meaning we desire. In choice B, candidly means openly, which does not have any meaning close to reluctant. Choice C can be eliminated because willfully does not harmonize hesitance or reluctance. Besides, genuinely means childishly, which also does not make any sense. So choice A, B, C, and D are incorrect. Then timidly as choice E and grudgingly as choice F means in an easily frightened way and resentfully unwilling respectively, which harmonize the meaning of hesitance or reluctance. So the correct answers are choice E and choice F.